Assalamu alaikum, this is Mahmoud here and this is my brother Muhammad, and today we're going to talk about 5 important things about ordering food, so stay tuned.
The first one that we're going to learn today in Egyptian Arabic is how to order food.
Number 2, we're going to learn the popular Egyptian dishes.
Number 3, expressing opinion about food.
And then we're going to learn how to say this is expensive and this is cheap.
And finally, how to ask for the bill.
So watch this video till the end to know a lot of words, a lot of vocabs about ordering food in Egyptian dialect. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe in our channel and to join our membership for the exclusive videos. So let's get started. We're going to start directly with the first thing that we're going to learn in Egyptian Arabic to ask or to order food.
So the first sentence that we need to know it when we order food is how to say please, which is in Egyptian Arabic لو سمحت. So one more time.
لو سمحت.
لو سمحت. Then we will add ممكن, which means could. ممكن. So again, لو سمحت ممكن, which means could you please.
Yeah. So
One
can I
more
have
time?
please?
Yes. Or can I have please?
Yeah.
لو سمحت ممكن.
All right. And then we're going to put anything we want to order, right?
Yes.
So what is the first example that you're going to give us, Muhammad?
لو سمحت ممكن فراخ مشوية.
Okay. So لو سمحت is please. ممكن can I have? فراخ is chicken. And then مشوية is the female version of مشوي. And what does مشوي mean?
مشوي means grilled.
So it's not fried, right?
No, it's not fried. It's grilled. Yes. So one more time the example. لو سمحت ممكن فراخ مشوية. So now Mahmoud, how we respond to this question? لو سمحت ممكن فراخ مشوية?
I would say تمام. تمام is okay. Or أكيد it means sure.
Yes. So one more time. لو سمحت is please. ممكن could فراخ مشوية, which is the grilled chicken.
The second example that we have here is لو سمحت ممكن سمك مشوي. لو سمحت ممكن سمك مشوي. Samak is fish, while مشوي, we said before, it's the masculine version of مشوية, right? So مشوي and مشوية is grilled for male and for female. Why we have samak here is a masculine word, right? So we're going to use مشوي for it. So,
But فراخ is feminine. That's why we used مشوية, the feminine form of grilled.
but some of you gonna ask why فراخ is feminine while it's not ending with H sound, like فرخة or something like أوضة or pizza. Because فراخ is plural, right? And we deal with plural most likely as we deal with the feminine.
Yes. So one more time the example. لو سمحت ممكن سمك مشوي, and the answer supposed to be أكيد, which means sure, or تمام, which means of course. The next example is لو سمحت ممكن لحمة مشوية. So لو سمحت ممكن, we know this form. Please, could you please give me something? Then لحمة مشوية, which is grilled meat.
Yes.
لحمة مشوية.
Yes. لو سمحت ممكن لحمة مشوية. And لحمة مشوية is grilled meat. We also can say لو سمحت ممكن بيض مسلوق. And بيض is eggs, Muhammad, right? And then we have مسلوق or مسلوقة, which is like boiled, like we put it in the water to let it boil, right? Yes. So this is مسلوق or مسلوقة. So بيض مسلوق or even فراخ مسلوقة, anything مسلوق, right?
Yes. So بيض مسلوق is boiled eggs. بيض مسلوق. So
Exactly.
again the example. لو سمحت ممكن بيض مسلوق. Another example. لو سمحت ممكن بطاطس مسلوقة. So بطاطس is potato.
Yeah.
بطاطس. And مسلوقة is boiled. So بطاطس مسلوقة boiled potato.
Yeah.
لو سمحت ممكن بطاطس مسلوقة.
That means it's not fried, it's not grilled, it's just we put it in the water till it's boiled, right? So this is بطاطس مسلوقة. I'd say okay, تمام.
تمام. لو سمحت ممكن بطاطس مسلوقة. Another example. لو سمحت ممكن خضار مسلوق.
So خضار is what?
خضار is vegetables.
So خضار مسلوق is what does that mean?
Boiled vegetables.
So it's steamed maybe or something like that. It's not fried, it's not grilled as well. It's just a healthy snack, right?
If you want to learn Egyptian Arabic from scratch, you can join my course in the description below or through this eye. Through this course, we will learn a lot about Egyptian Arabic.
So if you want to learn a lot of vocabs, a lot of sentences about Egyptian Arabic, click the link below to get a special offer with Muhammad's course. Now we're gonna move to the best part here that I like it in the video, which is the Egyptian dishes. We're gonna start with koshari. Like if you know koshari, you know koshari. But if you don't know koshari, here is the koshari. What does that mean? Koshari means like this is Egyptian dish. It contains ats. And what does ats mean?
Ats means lentils.
So it contains ats. Ruz. What is ruz?
Rose is rice.
And then we have here, I don't know. Okay. And then we have here macarona. So macarona, ats, ruz. Or in Egyptian version, we say macarona, ats, ruz.
Macarona is pasta. So one more time the ingredients. We have macarona,
Okay.
which is pasta.
Uh-huh.
Then we have ats, which is
Lentils.
lentils. Then we have rice, which is in Arabic ruz.
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 Okay, so this is koshari. Basically,
This
you have
is
to try it.
called koshari.
Yeah, they have to try it when they came to Egypt, inshallah.
Yes. So now we'll use another different form to ask a question or to order food. Instead of لو سمحت ممكن, could you please, I'll say لو سمحت عايز, which means I want, please, I want.
Okay.
لو سمحت عايز. This is the male form, and the female form لو سمحت عايزة. So now let's practice in the male form. لو سمحت عايز كشري. What does it mean?
Please, I want koshari. Like that's it. So لو سمحت is please, and then أنا عايز koshari or عايز koshari directly, it doesn't matter. So I just want koshari.
Yes. لو سمحت عايز كشري.
And then for female version, she would say لو سمحت أنا عايزة koshari or لو سمحت عايزة koshari directly.
The second popular dish in Egypt called mahshi. Mahshi.
Yeah.
And the mahshi is vegetables. We put inside these vegetables rice and sauce.
Yeah.
It's called mahshi. It's delicious dish in Egypt. You have to try it when you came to Egypt.
Perfect. It's basically stuffed vegetables, stuffed by rice, right? And some other spices. So this contains what? What is the ingredients for this?
Let's say kusa, which means zucchini.
Okay.
So one more time.
Kusa.
Yes, kusa.
Exactly.
Then bitingan. What does mean bitingan?
This is the eggplant?
Eggplants. Yes, bitingan.
Uh-huh.
Then we have the filfil.
Okay.
Filfil is
Pepper.
pepper.
Exactly.
Yes.
So we have three things. We have filfil, pepper, and then we have bitingan, which is eggplants, and then we have kosa.
Kosa, which is the zucchini.
Kosa is zucchini. So we actually can say لو سمحت أنا عايز محشي. What does that mean?
Which means please, can I get mahshi? لو سمحت عايز محشي. And the female form?
The female form is just لو سمحت أنا عايزة محشي. We're just going to change عايز to عايزة.
Yes. لو سمحت أنا عايزة محشي.
So if you want to support us and watch exclusive videos,
you can support us by thanks button here or join program. Through this membership, you can watch exclusive content about Egyptian Arabic.
So join us in the Success Partners membership and you're going to see a lot of videos. We post video each week for this program. So don't forget to join us and to watch the exclusive videos.
Now we will learn how to express our opinion about food. We have 4 words today or 4 expression we will learn today in Egyptian Arabic how to express food.
So the first one is how to say the food was not that good.
Yes. So was not good or terrible. In this case, we will say أي كلام. So I can say الأكل كان أي كلام. Mahmoud, what does it mean? الأكل كان أي كلام.
So أي is any and كلام is speech, but it's not like that. It's just like we take it together. Together, أي كلام means like just not that good. Not that good. So we actually can express or we can explain that anything is أي كلام. We can say t-shirt أي كلام. المكان is the place أي كلام.
Yes.
But in this case, we're gonna say الأكل كان أي كلام. The food was terrible.
Yes, so can means was and it's represent the masculine form because أكل is masculine, so I will use the form can. الأكل كان, the food was, then أي كلام, which means bad or terrible or not that good, great. الأكل كان أي كلام.
The second expression, food was good, which is 5 or 6 or even 7 out of 10, which is الأكل كان كويس. What does كويس mean?
كويس means good. الأكل كان كويس, the food was good. So as Mahmoud said, like 6 out of 10. It's acceptable or good. الأكل كان كويس. So one more time.
الأكل كان كويس. The food was good. Or we even can say المحشي كان كويس.
Yes.
Or الكشري كان كويس.
Yes. المحشي كان كويس or الأكل كان كويس. The third expression that we have it today is جميل, which means beautiful or lovely, like 8 out of 10.
Okay.
So Mahmoud, I can say الأكل كان جميل, which means
الأكل كان جميل. The food was beautiful, was good, was like so good.
also I can say الكشري. Remember? كشري. الكشري كان جميل. Or how do you say the mahshi was beautiful?
المحشي كان جميل. That's it.
المحشي كان جميل.
Exactly. Like المكان, the place. Okay. We actually can use those to express other things.
But today, because we focus on food, so that's why we use it in the food.
Exactly. الأكل كان جميل. And finally, how to say the food was great. It was amazing. So this is الأكل كان تحفة.
Yes.
تحفة.
So if it's 9 or 10 out of 10, you can use the expression تحفة.
Exactly.
الأكل كان تحفة.
Especially the girls, they are using تحفة a lot, right? So they are saying الأكل كان تحفة, البيتزا كانت تحفة. Why do we say كانت here?
Because pizza is feminine.
Okay.
So the feminine will use, or the female will use the form كانت, not can. So can represent the masculine form and the كانت represent the female form or the feminine form.
Exactly, because if we said الأكل is a masculine word, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why we said كان تحفة. But if you said pizza is feminine, that's why we're going to say البيتزا كانت تحفة. Now we're going to learn how to say the food is expensive or cheap. How do we say this, Mahmoud?
So expensive is غالي or غالية.
Okay.
غالي is the masculine form and the غالية is the feminine form.
All right. So,
And to say cheap is رخيص, رخيصة.
okay.
One more time.
رخيص, رخيصة.
So the first example that we have here today is الأكل كان رخيص وجميل.
Okay. الأكل كان رخيص. The food was cheap وجميل and beautiful.
And beautiful.
So
الأكل كان, the food was, we know this form. الأكل كان. Then I bought رخيص, which is cheap. Why رخيص not رخيصة?
Because الأكل is masculine word, right?
That's why I describe it by
Exactly.
رخيص and جميل, not جميلة also.
Okay, but if you said البيتزا, you say البيتزا كانت because البيتزا is a feminine word.
Yes.
And then كانت جميلة ورخيصة.
Yes. البيتزا كانت جميلة ورخيصة. The next sentence is الساندويتش كان رخيص بس تحفة.
Okay,
So
okay,
Mahmoud, what does
okay.
it mean?
So el sandwich, we don't actually have a translation for this. So sandwich is sandwich, right? So el sandwich كان رخيص بس تحفة. So el sandwich كان رخيص, that means the sandwich was cheap, right? بس تحفة, but excellent or but amazing.
Yes. So it's cheap, but in the same time, it's yummy. So in this case, we say الساندويتش كان رخيص, it was cheap بس تحفة, but in the same time, it's yummy or delicious.
Exactly.
الفراخ كانت غالية بس كويسة.
One more example. الفراخ كانت غالية بس كويسة. So tell me, Muhammad, what is الفراخ كانت غالية?
الفراخ كانت غالية means the chicken was expensive. As we agreed, غالية means expensive. So the chicken was expensive. الفراخ كانت غالية.
بس كويسة.
Yes. بس كويسة means but still good. Even it's expensive, but it still has good quality.
That's good.
Yes. So one more time.
So الفراخ كانت غالية بس كويسة.
The next sentence. السمك كان غالي بس تحفة. So Mahmoud, what does it mean? السمك كان غالي بس تحفة.
سمك is fish. السمك كان غالي. That means the fish was expensive. And then بس تحفة, but at the same time, it was excellent. It was amazing. تحفة is 100%.
Yes. So السمك كان غالي بس تحفة.
Finally, the last section of this video is going to be about asking for the bill. In order to do that, we're going to ask الحساب كام لو سمحت. So الحساب is
حساب is the bill. So الحساب كام. كام is how much or how many.
Exactly. So
كام.
yeah, how much is the bill?
To answer كام, usually we put number in the answer.
Exactly.
So once there is كام in the question, supposed to be a number in the answer. So الحساب كام, what's the bill? الحساب كام لو سمحت, we know this form which means please. الحساب كام لو سمحت. How much is the bill please. الحساب كام لو سمحت.
And the answer for this question is الحساب 100 جنيه. 100 is 100, 100 جنيه is 100 pound.
So الحساب the bill الحساب plus the number which is meat here. 100 جنيه is 100 pound. Guinea is pound. So 100 جنيه 100 pound.
Exactly.
الحساب 100 جنيه.
If you reached this point, thank you so much for watching us till the end. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe in our channel and also to join our membership for the exclusive videos.